Okwuluora Ndi Igbo, you must not please anybody. Mbu nke m ka na-eti. Anọrọ m na mmadụ nwụọ a na-ede tribute, na-ede ife ma na ya gwa ndị onye ahụ mgbe ọ nọ ndụ. This is just my own way of showing you love. Showing you love because I know what your name means to Ndi Igbo. I know what your contribution is to Ndi Igbo. I know how you are contributing your own quota to Ọganiru Ndebe anyị. I know how you are trying in your own way to unite our people. But despite all these things, I've made video before to tell you that Okwuluora Ndi Igbo, ọ bụrụ na achọ ga-achọ today, Ani Igbo ga-continue. Ọ na-achọ ga-achọ today. Ndị niile anyị na-enyere aka, they will not buy, all of them will not buy. But rather, o nwere ka ife si eme ife, God can decide to raise another Messiah. Onye ahụ anọrụkwa, and onye ahụ anọrụ, people, the way we do, people will tend to forget. People will tend to forget. Oge Senator Ifeanyi Uba nọ ndụ, a lot of people do attach to him for their survival. There are so many people ndị mmadụ che na Senator Ifeanyi Uba nwụọ na agụghị egbusi ha ncha niile, ọ na Senator Ifeanyi Uba nwụọ na life ha ya pause. But how many years getting to 1 year and Senator Ifeanyi Uba ji wee nwụ? Those people are still bouncing. They are still very much alive. And that is life for you. You know that go? So, Okwuluora Ndi Igbo, I am calling you again. Like I said, this is just my own way of showing you love now that I am seeing you. Now that I am sure that you can hear what I am saying. Not when you can no longer hear whatever thing you are there trending on Facebook. I am coming through for you now. Help yourself. Go and rest. You need rest. There is no way. Iyeji wee bulu onye ha ka gono n'ọkpa. Ị na-akpala lesini na-eja fundraising ego to ndị mmadụ. Your life should be very much important to you. We need you alive than no. Yes. When you are no more today, people can go on and on and on and on and read tribute for all I care. But on the whole Facebook page niile, on a trend, on a ndị eji ụgbala ego na Facebook, because many of our bloggers today are not doing things now genuinely, and that is why when you call for a just cause, none of them will identify with it, except no trend runner to the point na fire engagement ụgbala ego. I am doing the best I can for you now. My brother, you need rest. You need to rest. You need to rest so you can stay strong for task ahead. When we look at the opportunity, when I call on our Igbo brothers, I commend Skibo for video mail today. But Skibo, since you are the first Southeast content creator that responded as usual, I expected that you, Zeus, and the who again, I expected that you people will do something. We say something after all. You gotta go. But I am calling on so many other Igbo top content creators. Those people who have platform. I am calling on you people now to use your platform. Let us use your platforms to help Okwuluora. I admitted yesterday that my platform had not big enough to give Okwuluora the kind of help that I'm talking about. But I know, Skibo, you can do that. Since you already made the video email today, I am pleading to you, use your platform, connect to 1, 2, or 3 other people. Let us head to Enugu. When we get to Enugu, Okwuluora Ndi Igbo, oyekwe, mana ya force. Sit here down. Ti account number ye, or her account number onye ọzọ. Because on the raise in the mmadụ ego, oti account number ndị mmadụ, erase ndị mmadụ ego. This time around, I eti account number ye. Ụmụ Igbo show you love. I eti account number Okwuluora. Ụmụ Igbo show you love. You can't be carrying this load yourself. even while you are trying to help other people. Diabetes are you must call. Not to talk of ebe o McDonald madive leave onya and onya we go Lagos. We can't even begin to say Okwuluora are comfortable, Okwuluora are comfortable because only ba pocket here. And that's in Ogaranya Jelumba and Uju Ape on Donyerunyelye. Okwuluora has time to go out. His service to humanity is enough for Igbo people to show him now that he's still alive, that this is how much we appreciate and value you. God bear me witness. I did not speak with Okwuluora Ndi Igbo when I made video. I did not speak with Okwuluora Ndi Igbo when I made video. God bear me witness. I am only saying it because it is time we start appreciating people. It is time we start appreciating people. We appreciate ye. I am still calling on Skibo. I commend you for coming out to make the video email today. Yes, I am calling on other Igbo content creators, Southeast content creators. I am calling on them to identify with this project. Let us make it a project for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Let us show him love. Let us show him half of the love on the show. That young man is sick. That young man is not okay. That young man, when you look at his face, when you look at his posture, you could see that that young man had do okay and he doesn't want to rest. And it doesn't even seem like he needs help from anybody. I'm repeating it again. There was a time in fact, at some point, the woman in a teaching hospital, and I called him on phone. I told him, Okwuluora, I think it's time for people to also help you. Kelu location, Kelu, that I want to visit. Okwuluora say Ezugo more happy and Ezugo more happy and more happy. You see, those are the kind of things you hear from him. You have stake your life for the betterment and happiness, survival of others. But you don't say much about your own self. Ibulu also do not, Lego also do not. Opagana do bad. Ibulu ye in a bagale. Jenny Mukwanunde na kwa similar thing in area fundraising. But your own, you are not okay. You are not okay. So let us not pretend. Let us show him love. I am saying this. Look, somebody woke me up, or it's either not in the night or early in the morning, or either I woke up and I saw the message all the way from America. Ezugo. Okay, let me read it out. Let me read it out. And wherefore that indeed there are a lot of people who are sharing in the same thing. You know that go? There are a lot of people who are seeing exactly what I'm seeing. You know that go? You see? Yeah? Yes. Ezugo. Okay. Also there mo picture Opa Okwuluora. Where's him Ezugo? How are you? I just came across this horror. That guy Okwuluora, this is his leg. How can this man be helping sick people but no one is helping him? How can this man be helping sick people but no one is helping him? This is the first time I'm in a condition of Okwuluora like this. But this is the time, first time I'm in a condition of this guy's leg with possibility name will cut off. Ezugo, I remember seeing a video you made advising him that it is time he take care of himself. Please, I think you can do more by calling people's attention to this. Well, I'm sure your hands okay. Let me read this part then. I'm not sure why he is not seeking for his own healing, but doing it for people with this such wound. Honestly, it makes no common sense. You gotta go. And I promise that I'm going to do something about it. And he said, okay, please try so people can force him to get help. Okay, try so that people can force him to get help. So this is not even all about seeking his own opinion. I've just read out a concern of our Igbo sister all the way from the United States of America. You see, he's not seeking for help for himself. He is busy. Now that condition honor helping other people. So I am calling on our Igbo top content creators. Let us use this opportunity to show this young man how much we Igbos love him. Yes, even some of these our brothers not in diaspora. Some of you can also assist Okwuluora. Mandeno UK, Mandeno India, Mandeno America. You people can assist Okwuluora by coming over to that place to come and get a quality treatment. We need him alive, damn no Nozu. We need him alive. No doubt, currently, the kind of help Okwuluora render to Nde Naria, all this big Oria Doka, kidney and liver. No, we don't have the power currently to pull the figures Okwuluora pull. Perhaps God may bring out another person, but that's not what we are praying for. We need him because God will get that responsibility and they only discharge here accordingly. So if not for anything, let us show him love now that he's alive, so that he can appreciate na Ndi Igbo for yananya, na Ndi Igbo appreciate it for ifo. How can we do that? Let 2-3 top Igbo content creators who have platform tag yanu both no Zeus, tag yanu Papa Ifanye, tag yanu Top O, tag yanu all the people who know my name need the tag. Let us mobilize. We can use one person's platform. We can use one person's platform to do so. Yes, account number Okwuluora, not account number anybody, account number Okwuluora. No matter to send the ego no one send the Okwuluora. Okwuluora will just take care of himself. Then when people hear that monitor, can't show not that they put on through all this stress on they put on. You must not save everybody. You can't even lose yourself trying to save another person. Because when you lose yourself trying to save another person, and when there are so many other people, it shatters their hope of survival. Yes, and when there are so many other people, it shatters their hope of survival. Because hope of survival of so many people, God tie here to you. But you need to stay strong. You need to stay healthy. You need to stay alive to be able to carry out that task. I am doing this because I want to do it for him now that he's alive. I'm saying it. Okwuluora Adroke. If you are seeing him, all those people who now kahana call you on Facebook, we show kahana more on Facebook. I'm very sorry for some of you. I'm very sorry for some of you because for the moon I'm on the phone name. For those say no name eye service. For those say no if I hold the means of survival here. People will go all manner of things about him because I'm not the way to do a selfless service. Selfless service. You know that go? Selfless service to our people. I am calling on our Igbo brothers. I am calling on our Igbo brothers. Make sure you share this video. I'm not sure of how many people share this video, but I want you to share this video because I need people to know exactly about what I'm saying here. I need people to come on board so that we can make this a project. Yes, we can make Okwuluora, this Okwuluora case, a project. You want to go? You want to go? We can make it a project. Yes. So, tag Yano, Lord Zeus, tag Yano, all our Igbo top content creators. Tag them to this video. Tag Okwuluora. Tag Yano Okwuluora to this video. One Okwuluora needs go say, Okwuluora na go and take good care of yourself. If you buy today, Ndi Igbo will forget you within a space of 1 week. Jekwo juwe se makasina te va nyoba alokokere po ohara na Nnewi na Anambra State. ma ndị ọrụ ụlọ ma ndị ụlọ nya ụna fa rigidoro nni wee ruo ụbọchị ọnwụrụ. The very day Eluwale Ifeanyi na nobody is talking about him today. Who is talking about him today again? Even Southeast Development Commission nya move motion nya follow up and we pass into law today. Establish Southeast Development Commission. Nobody has ever given him credit. All the places in Fugolu, Mambo the committee, Jemiti governors, I have never heard any of them mention and giving credit to the late senator. All those gidi on all those things, they are gone. The day all those memories. It is only people who genuinely love him so much. Yeah, nde love her ahomaka ego, nde love her ahomaka class and level on it, nde love her anything to do with senatorial position on it. Those are the people who are still remembering him today. I can tell you that many people who are still remembering Senator Ifeanyi today, people like me, are people who did not even eat from his money. Are people who are not even so much closer to him. Many people who do closer to him, they have moved on. They have accepted the fact that he is no more there. They have accepted the fact that he can no longer do what he's doing for them. They have seek for an alternative and they are surviving through that alternative. Nobody talks about him anymore. But he was all and all everywhere. If I make it to meet him or call 4-5 in the morning. If I had a if I am on a plane in Abuja, on a plane in the East, on a plane in the East, on a J even Igbo community in America, on a J China, on a J South Africa, every minute, convoy and move Niro, and they make it to meet him cheerful. He cannot sleep. Nime to corner no cash and mobile sleep before we ever want to function again. It is function over function, function over function. Enjoy also not for the betterment of Ndi Igbo. Today, Ndi Igbo, we are still here. It's not as if now after Senator Ifeanyi Obanwolo, Ndi Igbo anwusigo or Ndi Igbo anolozie. It's not as if na weekend body we Ojukwu nwụrụ na Ndi Igbo anwusigo. Mgbe Mbazurika Amaechi ha nwụrụ na Ndi Igbo anwusigo. Mention all those people. Na Ndi Igbo anwusigo. Ndi Igbo anwusibo. Iwatago. So, Ojukwu sịrị anyị na a living corporal is better than a pied general. A living corporal is better than a pied general because it is only a living corporal that can tell the story. I'm on the send down this message to Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Tag Yano, yeah. Tag Yano, say an answer and do we see? On my second name. Say an answer and do we see? No one because there is hope. Whatever thing Okwuluora Ndi Igbo today, Odondo, there is chance of him doing more. My brother, take good care of yourself. Conditioning on a condition, you don't even need to be stressing that leg. You don't need to be stressing that leg. If for anything, this is the time you need to go on a 1 month, 2 months, 3 months straight vacation to either UK, to either India, or any place easily. This is the time for you to go there and rest for a whole 3 good months, 90 days. At Google's page, I greet you. 90 good days, Kini, rest. And I'm not saying that it must be 90 days. It has to be even more. You need to rest. You don't need to be stretching that leg. Idres chaya, ike bandage, put your house already. Come again, house already. Ije ho UNM. Jemelo Mwagive. Ishe na achọ chinine. No man's need no UNM higher graduate. Ishe na higher graduate. Ishe na higher kusiri ni. Ana majuga ajuju. Ishe na nde ile na area zik oria kidney na bai ya musese. Ishe nde ile na area oria liver. Elephantai ishe na hancha ni ya musese. Aya musese because of na nolozie. I'm telling you. Hancha ni na ga musese because of na lore. When you in it so that you can do more of that duty. For yourself should confess now at this particular point in now. Tag all those content creators, Onomana, Ani Igbo, let us come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. I admitted I don't have the platform to pull this, But there are people with the platform to pull this. There are people, Skibo, you have the platform. Los Zeus, you have the platform. Kerafa, so many of them with that platform. People look at Top Oha, people look at Chifimofa with the platform. People look at Palmanolia, how with the platform. People look at Wefia, how with the platform. People look at Kerafa, woman leader, far with the platform. These are people who will platform enough to be able to pull this. Let us use 1, 2, or 3 platforms to come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. It is my own tribute to Okwuluora mgbe ọka nọ ndụ. Ọhụrụ mgbe achọ Okwuluora echi niile oge ahụ ụnụ makwado onye nwụ. Onwe ife na-eme yo. Ịghọtago? Onwe ife na-eme yo. But I am saying that na ndụ aka ka a na-enyere ihe. Ndụ aka ka a na-enyere ihe. Okwuluora need the rest. I wish na ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị a na-ada akpọtara UK nwere ike ịda aka kịta arụgharịa weje UK ma ọ ofu ebe olu ebe ahụ na jụrụ ya na extend ya na akwụkwọ ya nọ 90 days bed rest there. See, they take care of what they take care of health here. But before then, we need to go to Enugu. We need to fundraise for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Let us do fundraising for him for once. Obolo capital oil call Obuli Beto Obolo Ateze. He doesn't even have. He is surviving just like every other person. So you can't just be saying, I don't need don't bother yourself. No. And they make sure that fundraising. There will be people who are going to monitor him to make sure that no you know go. I do sure no one will that money. I have to go there for me. Again. Yourself should come priority now. You know, if you Okwuluora anya n'ihu na eyi anya of recent ya ifu na mmadụ anọrọzi there ọ nọrọgodo ebe ọ na-eme mmadụ fundraising ọ dụka ya adị emerụ nyanwa ebere odo ya na nyanwa na-achọgodu ka ọ fụta ma ọ eji wee pụọ ebe a ka o je cash some bread. Why are you subjecting yourself through that? Why are you subjecting yourself? Why are you giving yourself such kind of pressure? That is what we call self-love and self-care. That is what you need now. For the sake of Facebook, I will not put it here. For the not complain because the level of sugar for the emotional blackmail for the anyway. If onye John ekwute eburu even no na if onye John ebute n'ọnụ ya buru ya. This is the third time I am running this kind of a video for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Facebook is here and Facebook has recorded. Facebook is here and Facebook has recorded. Let us come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Let us mobilize the Igbo content creators. Let us mobilize and come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Let us show him love for once. Because he truly needs it. He comes through for people. Nobody even bothered or care to think about what that young man is passing through to be taking care of himself. Such condition who condition ya he is not a Fanyoba or Ateze for us to say that he can always take care of himself. Okay, even if he can take care of himself, let us appreciate him and show him how much we love him. If no fellas, that his leg is already bad. So it seems like he has even accepted his fate. Because each time if now refer to health here and all this, it seems like he has accepted his fate. It seems like he has given up on his health. But you are coming through for people whose condition is more like helpless. You are coming through for them. You are giving them hope to live again. You are giving them hope. You are putting smiles on their face again, even when some of them has given up. But it looks like you don't have confidence again in yourself. You have you lose to go yourself so that others may. No, that is bad. Even if you feel like you have given up on yourself, Ndi Igbo need the ego so that we still need you. We still need you. Your health condition is bad. It's better you accept it. Sit down and take care of yourself. Sit down and take care of yourself. So we Igbo people will come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. We are going to show him love. Eto aho si emo pota oti account number ndo ozo anatoro ndo ozo ego. I need somebody who can be able to organize and our life. We look at account number Okwuluora Ndi Igbo ti ndị mmadụ atụọrọ ya ego ahụ dụsọ na ego ahụ na account ya. Okwuluora ewolie je take care of onwe. Okwuluora need relief from Facebook. As some get post to leave it, but you don't need all this. I'm going to UNM for this. I'm going for quiz. I'm because you can delegate that. Yes, you can delegate that. Somebody else can be doing that through your platform, but not you at this point. All those emotional stress, all those tension, all the look at Oliver Kobu, Weje, Keravaya, Wejo Mwaka. He was ridiculed. He was humiliated. There is nothing they did not do to him. Such kind of thing, you don't need it at this particular time. All those mental stress, all those stress and all that, you don't need it. You agree with me that you don't need it at this time. So, mgbalu nke mu ka m na-abịa na o nwere ike ọwụ na ndị ba ya adugo good. Need the tribute. You gotta go. What I'm more believe na if all na mmemelu mmadu, if all na ma yemeniri mmadu mgbe ọ nọ ndụ imemeri onye ahụ n'ọnwụ or west or complete waste of resources ka ọwụ. You gotta go. If all n'ime nwuhuru mmadu, love all n'isi omuhu mmadu na ndụ achọ onye ahụ achọ echi niile ịpụta debe jargon debe tribute ya awụ idegido ọzọ kịta efu picture na Facebook ebe niile anya n'ife ndị jikwa ya agbala ego ewere ya na agbala ego tag ya na Okwuluora Ndi Igbo to this video, tag ya no ife Igbo, tag ya no ma pofeng ha, tag ya no ma anyi dons onye chaka, yes, tag ya no ma anyi dons onye chaka, tag ya no pofeng fa. Those guys na Okwuluora Ndi Igbo those what nwa, tag ya no anybody you can tag na this video ndị niile ụlọ nwa na ha na Okwuluora dị mma. Let them call him to order. Let them call him to help himself, to love himself. Yeah? To do everything possible to stay alive. Then on our own, let us come through for him. He needs help. At least for now, let us show him that now he appreciates every single thing on him. We must not wait until Mbonyo Onwolo Ayatokonye go JB family. No. That's not what we need. What we need now is to come through for Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. We need somebody who can be able to handle this fundraising now. Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. Same an account to anybody. Account to Okwuluora Ndi Igbo. And I don't say no na mu Okwuluora pa na phone. When ekwu ife an na-ekwu. Shireke ife ọma na nna choka ngala efia. Ọwụrụkwo na mu Okwuluora pa na phone. When ekwu ife an na-ekwu. Nla ọwụla ka ngala iteta. I'm doing it genuinely because I feel concerned. So let us do it for him. Account number here. We do that fundraising on a million. We will do it for him. We will do it for him so that he will know that an effort to any Ndi Igbo appreciated here. Yes. I have the platform, but my platform is not big enough to handle that Okwuluora project. Except now you need one, but I know there are people who will bigger platform than me. Yes, there are people who will bigger platform than me. And it does, for instance, with bigger platform. Skibuha, I mentioned them. Pape Fanyefa, Zeusha, all those guys, woman leader, all those guys will bigger platform than me. In order go, what of them to call the Nakafa from Enugu Ezike, ndị Enugu. All those guys will bigger platform. All those men will bigger platform than me. So let them come through, so that together we can make this Okwuluora project. Okwuluora made the other day. Did you see what happened at that particular square? More than how many thousand people be out there? Okwuluora has come through for so many people. So this is time for us to also show him love. Yes, this is time for us to show him love. Now, this is also, thank you very much, Doris Agbalose. This is also my own part of using my platform. Skibo has done his own. I saw what Skibo did. Now, where are others? Where are other content creators? Does it mean that they are not seeing what we are? Okay, let us assume that they are not seeing what we are seeing. We are creating that awareness now. Let everybody get on board. Let us make Okwuluora Ndi Igbo matter an Igbo project. Share this video. Or Ezugo.